Hello everyone, this is Pouch the Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today I want to show you a review of this amazing dress. The dress is made of net, decorated with flowers. The lining is made of silk. This dress is ready. I want to show you the fabric the dress is made of. The embroidery is absolutely gorgeous. The leaves are very soft. It feels as if they were made of silk threads. The flowers and the embroidery do not affect the weight of the fabric. The fabric is very light. I'm not sure if you can see it on the screen, but it's of light gray color. The fabric is absolutely gorgeous. I can't take my eyes off of it. Have a close look at the fabric once again. The bottom is edged with the violet threads. The fabric is very soft to the touch. It feels like the embroidery is made of the silk threads. I love the fabric. Anyway, let's get back to the dress. The dress was made on the basis of the 10 measurement cutting system. You can use any other basic pattern. The front neckline is pretty deep. We decided to make a zipper not on the center back, but in the side seam. There is a concealed zipper here. The silk and the net were attached to each other and then edged together with the binding. Have a close look at it. The armholes were also edged the same way. The dress is slightly gathered on the waist. The flowers are very beautiful. The bottom of the dress is absolutely gorgeous. This is how the bottom edge of this fabric looks like. When I finish telling you about the dress, I'll put it on the table to show you the wrong side and tell you about the techniques we used for making it. The wrong side of this dress is also worth looking at it. The dress is lined with silk. The color of the lining matches the net perfectly. This is not pink color, and it's not purple either. It's something in between them. You can see both of these colors in the embroidery. The fabric is absolutely gorgeous. Dresses made of such amazing fabrics can be a very simple designs. I don't recommend cutting such fabrics. Try to make dresses of the most simple designs. There is nothing complicated in this one, just seam on the waist. Notice that the tailors of my fashion house try to make the skirt in such way that they didn't have to cut these beautiful flowers on the waist. Next, I'll put the dress on the table to show you the wrong side. I need to unzip the dress to take it off of the dummy. Have a look here. The neckline and the armholes are edged with the binding on the wrong side. It's not seamed from the right side. Perfect. The waist seam was edged with net. We couldn't edge it with silk because the seam is too thick for it. We edged it with net and ironed. The zipper is also edged with net. Have a close look at it. Notice that even the very end of the zipper is edged with net and inserted in the armhole seam. Absolutely amazing. Gorgeous. Silk binding, net. There's basically nothing new. I want you to have a close look at the fabrics. Notice that the colors match perfectly. The net with embroidery is very beautiful. I can't tell you about the color of the leaves. They are not green, they are not blue, and they are not even gray. Anyway, they are very beautiful. This is how these fabrics look like in rolls. Have a close look at this edge. This is the embroidery the dress ends with. We used scissors to cut this edge, and we threw it away after that. This is how we made the bottom of the dress that beautiful. Have a close look at it once again. We just cut this edge. That's it. The technique is very simple. I'm happy that I decided to show you this dress. It's very beautiful. It's a pleasure to look at it. When I show you different fabrics which we sell in my fashion house, people ask me what they can sew with them. This one, for example, is perfect for dresses. You can make dresses of different lengths and designs. They would look amazing anyway. We also made a dress for Oля of the same fabric. It's very simple, sleeveless and straight. There is even no waist seam in it. You can also make a knee-level dress or even a short one. They both would look beautiful. We made this dress for one of our customers. She loved it. Today I showed you a review of this amazing dress. I hope that you like it. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukštė Irina. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.